Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will explain you how we can make the single switch on off control in Delta PLC 14SS2 model. It's very simple and easy and reliable, just 3 lines. You can make the on off control with single push button. So let's get started. I will open my WPLC or software, and here we will create a new project and choose your model SS2 and click it OK. Window will be appear, and here first if you like to put one emergency push button, you can put any LD X0. An example, this is your emergency switch, and next row you can write LDX1, sorry, LDP we have to be used, LDP X1, because of we have to be give just single pulse to the any data register, and next you have to be write just only INC command, increment at any data register. For example, D0 I will choose and click enter. It's very simple and very easy and just in 3 lines. And here you have to be choose the LD equal D0 K1 and click enter. Means when you give the signal at X1 and your data register of the D0 when equal with one signal, after you have to be make your any out relay on off. For example, Y0 I will put, or any you can choose, depend on you. And in next row you have to be write just only LD greater than equal or greater than, or first you have to be write greater than or equal D0 K2K, two values के, and click enter. LD, this we have to be make just inside, give the little space, because without space software will be not accept. And next you have to be choose RST D0, give space must D0. If you not give the space, after your program will be not work. And this just 3 lines you have to be compile first and download to the PLC. I will make the simulation on first. That's and write to the PLC and click enter, and after give the simulation on, and your PLC you have to put in run mode, because of without run mode this will be not run. So now our program is ready, and I first make my emergency button on X0, because of if you not make it X0, after this signal will be not pass at the D0. As I give the signal at X1, after our Y0 will be on, and again when you second signal make, after your Y0 will be off. Again I will set off, and again I will give signal, after Y0 will be on, and again I will set off again, and again this when set on, your Y0 will be off. Because of this is very simple and very easy. This D0 when equal with one signal, our Y0 will be on, and when our D0 equal or greater than two signals after reset this D0. Too many friends make this single switch on off control very long and students are not understand. I designed this one in just 3 lines. This single switch, any PLC you can design this. This is very easy and easiest method of the single switch on off control. And this one, why not showing X1? Because this is the rising edge. If you like to see the status also, little make modification. No need modification, just add the program for status only, just no need that program inside, but just I like to show you for the status. Yani LD X1, LD X1 and out any internal memory relay you can use. For example, M0 I will choose and compile and write to the PLC. Because of maybe you not understand about this X1 not signal coming or not coming, I want to show you the status only. Just you have to stay the status of X1. So make the online simulation and I will show you when I give the signal at X1. You can see here is X1 is on and also M0 is on, and you have to be make one set off, this signal will be gone. M0 here can't show because of this is the rising edge. Again when you give the signal on, after Y0 will be off, this status is also shown. You have to be make set off, and again if you make it set on, Y0 on and M0 also shown and X1 is also shown. Again set off and your Y0 will be on. This is the easiest method of the single switch on off control. Hope guys you will be understand about this control. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.